Good morning, dear students. How are you? Today we will study English reader. English reader. English subject has two books. One is English reader and other is English grammar. Then I will teach English reader to you. Are you happy? Are you ready to study something? Okay, very fine. I think that I hope that you are very well in your home. English is an important subject in English medium school. So you should give more priority to study the English. Reading skill, writing skill, speaking skill, listening skill. You should develop these skills also. So listen my class. What I am saying and catch the meaning, then you can easily study all the lessons very well. Okay, listen. First lesson is a poem. Lesson number 1. The heading of the poem is Don't Quit. If you take your book while studying these lessons, that will be good to you. You can listen to your book also. All of you take your book and ready for the study. First lesson, lesson number 1. We will start with lesson number 1. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit means don't give up. In our life, it is a general habit. If any difficult problem come in front of us, what we will say? Easily we will give up. Any difficult case, we will avoid it. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will do that policy. But here the poets, he says that don't quit any difficult situations. We should overcome all the difficult situations in our life. And it is very inspirational poem for the students. Very highly inspirational poem. Did you take your book? And this poem was written by Quinton Howlon. He's a world famous poet. He already has written so many other poems also. But among all his poems, the Don't Quit has an important role because it was a highly inspirational poem. Then we can directly go to the poem. Here I already written how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines I already written on the board. And I will take 3 classes, 3 videos to cover this lesson. Then after completing the explanations, I will send you the note, the PDF note. You should buy the fair copy and write the notes in your fair copy. Okay. Then, when things go wrong as they sometime will, when the road you are trudging seems uphill, when the funds are low, the debts are high, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest you must, but don't you quit. First line. Did you understand the meaning? Yes. When things go wrong in every student's life, we have a wishes, we have some desires, we have some dreams in our life. But in some conditions, we are unable to attain our dreams, we are unable to achieve our goals or objectives in our life. Some negative circumstances come in front of us. Suddenly we will shake. We can't face that negative situations. We are all expecting the positive situations in our life, but even any negative situation, for example, you wrote the examination very well, but after the result declarations, you failed. How will you overcome the situation? You studied very well, but you did not get a good number in the examination. What has happened? And like that, lot of negative situations we will face in our life. Every day, every moment, every year, we should face the negative situations. That is one of the go wrong. When things go wrong, things will come according to our wishes, then we are happy. But the things will not come according to our wishes or according to our dreams, then what happened? We will we will give up our task. Task means our work. When things go wrong, as say someday will, the things will not come according to our will, according to our dreams, according to our wishes. The things will not come. In some cases, things will come. But in 90% cases, the things will not come with us according to our dreams. When things go wrong, as they sometime will, when the road you are trudging seems uphill. Here, the poet compared our life is just like a road. We are walking every day, the traveling of life through the life road. But in some parts, the road is not good, dirty road. In some other parts, up, some other parts down, and valleys, mountains, plainlands. When the road you are trudging seems uphill, then what happened if you see the uphill, a small mountains in the road? What happened? Our walking should become slowly. Trudging means walking slowly. Walking slowly. If in a difficult situation, our walking should be slowly. If you go high mountains, our walking should be slowly. Here, the uphill, the mountain. What is the inner meaning of the uphill in this poem? Actually, the difficulties, the sorrows, the problems, the negative situations in our life that we can compare to the uphill. And that time our walking became slowly, trudging. You are trudging seems uphill. If you see, if you saw a mountain, if you walking on the mountain, we will tired. We lost our energy. We tired. Then we stop our work. We stop our task. When the road, the poet compared our life, a student's life or any other patient's life is just like a road. In the road you are trudging seems uphill. When the funds are low, the debts are high. The line has two parts. The funds are low. Funds means maybe money or asset. In some situations, in our hand there will be no money, there is no asset, there is no bank balance. We will face difficult situations. The funds are very low, very less. In order to meet the day-to-day expenses, due to this our COVID-19, most of the employees they lost their job in our country, not only in our country but in all the world. Many of the people lost their job. They did not get any of the income. For the last 4 or 5 months, there is no job, there is no money in their hand. In order to meet the day-to-day expenses, the funds are low in our situations, in our life situations, and we will face this type of situation also. The lack of money, the lack of anything. This funds means something just in the form of money or asset like that. When the funds are low, the debts are high, we will borrow the money from others. We should give the money to return to others. There is a crucial problem we should face in our life. So when the funds are low, the debts are high. Then when care is pressing you down a bit, then at that time what we will do? We should care ourselves. We should take that circumstances will pressure us to down a bit. We will down. They will become down. A negative mood. Yeah? Negative mood. And all these negative situations will create in our mind a negative feelings. Then we will become down. There is no interest to do anything. There is no happy in our life. There is no energy in our life. There is no hope in our life. Fully negative situation. We will fully down. Then if we face any negative situations in our life, we should face with the courage and a strong determinations. Then you can attain the success. When care is pressing you down a bit, for sometimes we will down in our life, from our work, from our task, we will down. Slow work, otherwise we will stop our work or stop our task. When care is pressing you down a bit, the poet advised one thing that is the essence of this poem, the last line. Then what can we do in that negative situation? Then how we can face a negative situation? The poet advised us, rest you must, but don't you quit. The poet advised us, rest, you can take the rest. Then if you are tired, due to the continuous work to attain our goals, if any problems will come in front of us, we can take the rest. But don't you quit. Don't give up. Don't quit your task. After taking the rest for some time, again we will start our work again. You should continue work again. Don't quit. This is essence of the poem. If you face any negative situation in life, we should face it. If you are tired, we can take the rest, but don't quit our work. Continue work, because success is a reward of continuous work. Continuous work is necessary. Hard work and continuous work with a strong mind or determination. The hard work and determination. It is a basic factors of a success. Then if you want success or victory in our life, you should face lot of problems in your life, lot of problem in your studies, but you should face it. You should face a number of negative situations throughout your life. If the problem is serious, if you are tired, your body or mind, you can take the rest. But don't give up your work, don't give up your task, don't quit your work. And this is the essence of this poem. This is the main line of this poem. Rest you must. It is a must thing. We can't avoid it. If you want the rest, you should take the rest. Then after some day, you should continue your work. Don't stop your work. Up to where? Up to attain our goals in our life. Everybody, we have a goals in our life. Up to attain the goals in our life. Our aims in our life. We should continue our work. Don't stop our work. Continues every day work, every moment, every minute. Every minute is also important to us. Don't waste your time. The proper utilizations of the time and the proper implementation of your working planning, you can attain the goals in your life. Listen, when things go wrong, everywhere wrong things, wrong situation, wrong conditions around us. When things go wrong as this, sometime that will not come according to our will or wishes. When the road you are trudging seems uphill, when the funds are low, the debts are high, when care is pressing you down a bit, you must take a rest, but don't you quit. You must take the rest. Rest you must, but don't you quit. Is it understand? And this is a message from this poem. And the first stanza completed. Then 2 more stanzas also. Then tomorrow we will meet again. At that time I will explain it. After 3 videos we will finish this class. Then we will send the PDF note to you. And today I will give one work to you. Don't forget, listen here. You should study the 5-liner poem from your book. वो याद करना घर पे. How many lines? Now today only 5 lines. Everybody, don't miss this opportunity. And if you are tired, you can take the rest, but continue your study the 5-line poem. The tomorrow you should be ready to receive this poem very well. Okay? Very good. Thank you to all. Jai Hind.